Good Monday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt here in the KTTC and FOX47 studio. We're talking about heavy rain to start the work week. We've had a downpour here at the studio already. At least one of those today. We're getting some steady light rain right now, and some thunder is still in the area here. It is just a little bit after 9 o'clock this morning. We have a morning dose of rain. The afternoon does look better, but in the meantime, we're going to be dealing with some pretty soggy weather here for the next few hours. Right now, 66 degrees as we look outside with our Gualdi Group camera. That's from Assisi Heights. We're dealing with some heavy downpours of rain here in the short term with tropical moisture and high temperatures later today with just a little sun breaking through. We'll still manage to reach the 80s, but it's kind of a cool but unsettled and kind of muggy morning still at this point. All the elements of typical midsummer weather there. It's some heat, humidity, and some of that soggy thunder in our weather picture. We're going to have plenty of that going forward this week, next couple of days, certainly. Today, 66 degrees in Rochester. It's 70 right now in Austin. A little warmer southward where it's been drier. You look at Mesa City. They've been generally dry throughout this situation. 76 on the Iowa side of the border, 77 in Charles City. Here in Rochester, we've been watching wave after wave of rain come in from the west and northwest. 66 right now. 2.64, so a fair amount of mugginess in the air and a fairly light northeast breeze. Once the showers move out, we'll see at least some partial clearing for the afternoon. That'll help things warm up a little bit. The south winds also helping the cause at times 17, 18 miles per hour. So still looking at temperatures in the upper half of the 80s. 42 hundredths of an inch so far officially at the airport here in Rochester. Here at the studio, we've had 1.2 inches since the onset of that first line of thunderstorms just before 6 o'clock this morning. So I checked the rain gauge and just a couple minutes ago, 1.2 inches, and it was bone dry as of about 5:45 this morning. So we've had a lot, and that's only in, 3 hours of time. And we still have about 2 or 3 more hours of rain to come. I don't think we're necessarily going to see an entire additional inch, but we may get to 2 inches. We've had 1.2. I think 2 inches is very possible at this point overall. Here comes the rain from the northwest. Watch it over the time. At first, very steady, slow-moving line. It actually began to pick up steam here and began to scatter a little more and become lighter. And now we're seeing another wave coming in from the west that's going to reinforce this unsettled weather picture for this morning. 3 to 5 inches of rain. There's a flood warning, flash flood warning for a portion of Rice County because of that heavy rain there just northwest of here. We've had about an inch to an inch and a half here in north parts of Olmsted County and up toward Pine Island and Cannon Falls and up toward Lake City. But north of there, 3 to 6 inches in western Wisconsin, and looking at an additional inch or two of rain. So that's why there's that flash flood warning. The green counties, Goodhue County is among those, as is Waseca County to our west in a flash flood watch until noon today because of the presence of that heavy rain in the area. So here's satellite radar watching that thunderstorm complex moving through the area. We're going to be dealing with that until noon. Then as the storm system in the west kind of hangs out there, it's going to provide us with wave after wave of thunderstorms in the next couple of days until that whole system finally migrates to the area. That'll be Wednesday into Thursday. So marginal risk of severe weather, that's all really going on this morning. That's if any of these storms should produce something, and we're talking maybe gusty winds would be the primary concern of severe weather threat modes, in addition to the obvious heavy rain concern that's going on right now. But it's Rochester to the east, that Storm Prediction Center outlook, marginal risk of severe weather. That's the lowest tier of severe weather levels. And then tomorrow, severe weather risk all of the west, and it looks like Wednesday actually is going to skirt the area to the north, that severe weather risk. So not necessarily severe weather in the next couple of days for us, just a lot of heat, humidity, and occasional thunderstorms. Today, there's the afternoon, you start seeing just a spotty shower at first, drier skies the afternoon and evening hours, and then tonight will be muggy, warm, temperatures around 70 degrees overnight, which is very similar to what we had this morning, but minus those thunderstorms that impacted parts of the area for tomorrow night. So looking at some thunderstorm chances here for parts of the morning. Midweek storms, we're talking maybe a handful tomorrow late in the day. Better chance often on all day Wednesday. That'll be maybe the wettest day of what lies ahead beyond today this week. And then Thursday, a couple of isolated storms. The holiday weekend looking actually pretty promising. It's going to be hot and sunny, but at this point, Friday and Saturday and a big portion of Sunday will be rain-free. So it's a good thing. Here's Futurecast, watching thunderstorms move through. There's that late day partial clearing. I'm not promising a ton of sunshine, but maybe some, helping us reach the mid and upper 80s for high temperatures Tomorrow, going into the afternoon hours, there may be a couple of thunderstorms migrating in from the north. Those come in for the late afternoon, evening, but this particular computer model is not really picking up on that. But we've been seeing that possibility elsewhere, and some other data we've been seeing. And then Wednesday, here's that line of thunderstorms to the west that looks to arrive for the late morning, afternoon. So off and on storm chances there. So Monday morning thunderstorms, Tuesday late afternoon, evening, perhaps isolated thunderstorms, not a widespread threat. Wednesday, more widespread. Looks like it's to start sometime in the morning and last into the afternoon and evening. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then Thursday, maybe a cluster of storms for the mid part of the day as that storm system begins to pull away. So today, 86 in Rochester, Mason City 89, Winona 88 degrees, looking at highs around 86, which is about 5 degrees above the seasonal average. Tonight, staying in the 70s, but drier skies overnight. And then tomorrow, just maybe, like I said, just a little bit of thunder. This is actually, I had to lower this a little bit. 88 was the morning forecast. I don't think we're going to get out of the rain early enough to get to 88. I think it's going to take a while to break into that 80-degree range. So 86 at this point. Tonight, partly cloudy, 70, a light south breeze. And then tomorrow, about 88 again. This is, we'll see have a little more sun, fewer storm chances. Southeast winds on the breezy side, ushering in that warmer air. Here's a sneak peek at the forecast. You could take your snack pack on a picnic. Go for the Independence Day holiday on Saturday. A high temperature of 90 there with a lot of sunshine. Sunday, maybe a couple of late day thunderstorms and a high of 88 there. So a lot of heat, a lot of humidity. Stormiest days again today and Wednesday, and then isolated storms tomorrow and Thursday, and Sunday maybe a couple of late day thunderstorms. Otherwise, so the quieter days are the important ones. Friday and Saturday, big holiday time frame there. In the meantime, stay warm, everybody, and be on the lookout for flash flood concerns, especially if you're in the northern part of the area where there has been a lot of rain. And then be on the lookout for more rain chances this week that hopefully won't be too problematic, but may exacerbate the situation with all the soggy soils after some of the repeated runs of rain we've had so far. But go ahead and stay cool, everybody, and stay hydrated. Have a great Monday. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.